Alright, what's going on everybody? Today is yard work day. However, I have a bent mower blade. So I need to change it out. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cap off this gas. I'm going to have to tip it up, and I don't want to spill gas all over my garage floor. So I'm just using this plastic bag, put the cap back on, and that should keep it from spilling. Get it as tight as we can. It should get right in there. I don't want to get too much, and I don't want plastic in there, but that should be pretty good. So now we're going to get this up top and able to take the blade off. Now with the mower propped up just on my workbench or on a tool chest, I'm able to get access to the blade underneath. So all I need to do is find the exact right size for that and be able to take it off. And with my mower, it looks to be about a 16. So I'm just going to use my impact wrench, cordless, and take it off. Easy as that. Oh, on the reverse setting. There we go. Old blade is off. Take off all this other stuff while I'm down here. Now I need to go measure it, because I'm going to need to know what size it is for the replacement blade. And as you can see, here's the offending blade. This thing is bent up really bad on this side and a little bit on this side. It should be pretty flat. When I go like that, it shouldn't have that twist on it. So obviously this thing got ate up. So I'm just going to measure it so I know how big I need it for the replacement. Up to the tool marking, looks like it's about 21 inches. So that's what I'm going to go with. I'm going to look for a blade, 21 inches. And after a quick trip down to the local hardware store, a new one has been found. And as you can see, very different. This one has a very huge bin right up there. This one does not. But other than that, they're the exact same size, and that's exactly what I needed. And now reassembly is also a very simple process. I first have this keyway. As you can see right here, it has a little notch right there. That goes back onto the shaft on the same part, all the way up. Next comes the blade. This fits right into that star pattern. Next comes this end piece. And you will see that it has holes on this side, no holes on that side. The holes go on top of the blade. And last but not least, the nut that holds it all on. I'm going to hand tighten it at first to make sure that everything stays in place. And once I have that, I go to the rattle gun and hit it on a couple times. Nothing tight, but nice and straight and good. And that is awesome right there. I'm checking the clearance, make sure it's not hitting the frame, that I got the right blade, and everything looks good. And that is how you change your mower blade.